Hey guys, this is Ben Wood with JBT Power, and I'm here today with Patrick, our rental manager, and Daphne, and we're here to talk about the Earth&Turf Top Dresser. Great tool for you to have this spring to distribute sand in your yard to get ready for spring, which is a lot better than using a shovel, right?
Absolutely.
Patrick, if I was going to rent the Earth&Turf Top Dresser, what am I doing here? Talk to me about it.
Well, this machine, first of all, we have to load it up with sand, compost, dirt,
right?
Whatever you want to spread. It does have a conveyor belt that is going to push from the bottom towards the back of the machine. In the back, there's a roller that's going to make even distribution straight down into the turf. And at the same time, this machine has a door to increase or decrease the amount of material that we want to spread by opening or closing the outlet and the rear of the machine.
So Patrick, I rent this. How am I loading this with material? Do I use a shovel? Do I have to hold the bag?
Shovel is an option, but ideally, depending on the amount, it's going to be a lot of work. So you might want to consider a mini skid steer, hopefully with a bucket not wider than the opening, so we're not putting material outside the hopper. And try to keep it full is a good practice.
Absolutely. So what about operation? How do we get it to move forward? I don't have to push this thing, right?
No, it is self-propel and the handle does everything. Picking up the handle will make the machine go in reverse. Putting pressure down will make the machine go forward. And the steering is very simple, just steer mechanically.
So is it an electric start, a hand start? How do I crank this thing up?
Old-fashioned way. So it's got an on-off switch. The choke is in the throttle, so we have to bump it all the way up. That's going to be in choke mode. Underneath this metal piece, there's a pull cord. I put it in compression stroke while it feels tight. Come back again, and one pull should do it. Take it off.
All right. Now I've got it cranked up. What does this bar do?
This is the bar that's going to activate our conveyor belt. So we want to have it off all the time until we get to the desired area where we want to spread.
So that's good if I'm on my driveway, right?
We don't want to create a mess of driveway or your neighbor's sidewalk or who knows. So this will turn off the conveyor belt. Now it only actuates in forward motion. So if I have to back up to turn, it'll stop, avoiding to create a pile of material.
Perfect. Thanks again, Patrick, for showing us the Earth&Turf Top Dresser. Now, one more. Best time to use this machine is?
Right now, it's coming to springtime is the time of the year that this machine, you got to do your reservation. It stays out. Best practice is after aeration as well.
That was my next question. What do I need to do before? So aerate before?
Yeah, aerate before, then we'll top dress. Also, it'll help a lot if you have holes in your yard, tire marks, to cover that with sand, compost, whatever you're spreading.
Awesome. Thank you guys for watching today, and stay tuned for more educational videos at JBT Power. If you're looking to rent any of the equipment that we show in our videos, stop by JBT Power's website, jbtpower.com.